Dimmers give you flexibility when lighting your home. Let Lamps Plus show you how. A dimmer is a device that is connected to a lighting fixture or lamp and controls the output the light produces. Using a dimmer will help prolong the life of a bulb as well as reduce the amount of energy consumed. And of course, they give you the ability to easily adjust your lighting. Set for low lighting to watch a movie or bright light to complete a task or entertain. With incandescent and halogen bulbs, dimmers work by interrupting the current that is being transmitted to the light, so there is less energy going to the bulb. The same is true of LEDs, but because of their circuitry, LEDs are not always compatible with dimming switches. Check that the dimmer you want to purchase is compatible with the bulbs you're using, or the LED lighting you have. The same goes for using dimmers with fluorescence. Installing a dimmer is a simple DIY job, but if you're not comfortable working with electricity, we recommend using a licensed electrician. Just about any fixture in your home can be used with a dimmer, and there are many designs to choose from. Wall-powered dimmers can feature a slide control, tap switch, or even be app-controlled. Some designs feature an option to preset the lighting levels so it will always be the way you want it. Plug-in fixtures such as a table wall and floor lamp can be dimmable too. Simply plug the fixtures into the dimmer and then plug everything into the wall. A tabletop dimmer is convenient to place atop a bedside table to easily control a swing arm wall lamp or table lamp without ever leaving your bed. You can use a table dimmer with a floor lamp or choose a foot-operated dimmer switch. Dimmers have upgraded over the years, and many designs now offer voice operation and can be accessed with a smartphone. Smart dimmers can be controlled with an app and have added features such as turning the lights on from your car or setting them to wake you up in the morning. Find the perfect dimmer for you at Lamps Plus.